In this video, we will explore Maple's help system. If you're ever stuck on a problem and need a command, or you have an idea but don't quite know how to make it happen, Maple's help system is here to assist you. To access the help system, you can click on this question mark icon shown in the top right-hand corner of your screen. This opens up the help system in a new window for you to search and explore. The main way to navigate the help system is either through the table of contents, seen on the left-hand side of the screen, or the search bar, seen in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Here, you can input a command name, package name, or just a general query, and the help system will bring up a list of help pages that fit your description. For example, by typing in plots and pressing search, I'm brought to the plots package page. I'm also provided with a list of other help pages that might fit my needs. You can also access the help system by clicking on the Help tab shown at the top of your Maple window. If your monitor is small, like mine, you might have to click on this side arrow a couple of times until the Help tab comes into view. From here, you can enter something into the search bar, access the Quick References card, which answers common questions, and much more. Let's see what the help system can do in some common situations. For this example, I've created a 4x4 matrix and want to get the determinant, but computing it by hand would be way too hard. So I'm going to put determinant into the search bar. As you can see, the third result shows there is a determinant command for the student linear algebra package, which is the package that I'm using in this worksheet. I can look to see what the command is in the small window here, or I can click on it and look at the help page in full detail. Here's what the command and what the parameters are. Also, on the right, there's a See Also section, where we can navigate to the package's help page and explore other commands in this package. Let's go back to my worksheet and try it out. For my next example, I want to plot the tangent line at a point. Let's put tangent into the search bar. Here's a help page for the tangent command belonging to the Student Calculus 1 package. When I scroll down, I see all of these great examples, showing me that this is exactly the command I'm looking for. Notice this button here, which allows us to switch the examples in the help page from 1D to 2D math and vice versa. Also, I can bring this help page onto a new Maple document using this other button in the control panel. From here, I can edit this page and interact with it myself. For example, by replacing the function in this command with the desired function, I can edit the plot. For our last example, I want to factor g of x. To find the right help page, I can use the question mark shortcut and factor. When I run this command, I open up the help system. Another alternate way to access the help page is to click on the command and hit F2 on your keyboard. This will pull up the help page too. And so, that's the help system in a nutshell. In this video, we discussed searching for commands, importing help pages into Maple, and alternative ways to access the help system.